basically an AI-enabled one-stop women's health platform providing gynecology services to women in Tier 2 and Tier 3 geographies. Basically, अगर हम देखें anywhere in non-metro cities, a woman has to go a lot of societal pressures. उसके पास कोई बात करने के लिए नहीं है regarding her gynecology, infertility और pregnancy related issues. और ये सारी चीज़ें जो है उसको बिल्कुल आइसोलेट कर देती है इकोसिस्टम में. एंड दिस इज़ वेयर केयरवेल 360 हेल्प्स यू कनेक्ट विद the ecosystem partners like hospitals, like infertility specialists, like wellness partners, जो कि आपको हेल्प करेंगे आपकी पूरी की पूरी गायनाकोलॉजी जर्नी में.
So Sandbox 2025 has been organized to celebrate National Startup Day. आपका एक्सपीरियंस अभी तक चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी में सैंडबॉक्स इवेंट कैसा रहा? आज नेशनल स्टार्टअप डे है और साथ के साथ आपके क्या थॉट्स हैं इतने जो आइडियाज़ और इनोवेशंस प्रेजेंट किए जा रहे हैं उसके?
It's an excellent platform. I think you guys are giving an excellent opportunity to startups like us to showcase our services and products. And I think hats off to Chandigarh University for doing this in a very seamless manner. I am very impressed by the team of Chandigarh University who are so helpful and so forthcoming in terms of helping the startups, understand the whole, way this is being organized and reaching out to the ecosystem partners.
So this India's next gen futuristic university is envisioned to provide an AI-powered learning experience to youth. How important do you think it is to integrate AI in education in contemporary times?
I think it's absolutely essential. Universities like Chandigarh University, they should take a very, very, a leadership role in integrating AI with the current curriculum, because there's a lot of skill gap, and I think till the time it's done at a level, of Chandigarh University, I don't think students will be able to have that kind of skills, and they'll not be job ready, because we know AI can actually impact a lot of jobs. So the new age jobs will all be based on AI. So you need to have that AI learning.
With AI revolutionizing industries like healthcare, education, agriculture and governance, how do you see Prime Minister Narendra Modi's initiative like the India AI Mission and AI Research Centers positioning India to lead in the global AI economy and foster sustainable development?
I think with Prime Minister Modi, kuch bhi mumkin hai. There's nothing called, impossible. So I think AI is just one of those areas where, with his support and guidance, the whole industry, the academia, the institutes, the government itself, we are all getting together and working towards achievement of this mission. And I have no doubts that very soon we will be amongst the top AI players in the world.
With AI projected to create 47 lakh jobs, and in India by 2028, how do you see Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership and AI policies fostering employment, innovation and inclusivity while positioning India as a global hub for AI?
So I think, the best thing about Prime Minister Modi is he thinks, not of the present moment. I think he lives the present moment, but he's thinking 50 years down the line. So I think whatever initiatives he's taken, I think that will go a long way in establishing the complete AI, industry in India. And not only we'll not be playing a catch-up kind of a game, but we'll actually be the leaders both in hardware and in software space.
Okay, before 2014, India used to have only 350 startups. But after 2014, under the leadership of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India has created 1.57 lakh startups, and that has created further 1.6 million new jobs. So how do you see his vision empowering AI?
AI, obviously, he realized, the emerging technologies, the ecosystem, the AI, and the startups. And obviously, with this encouragement, entrepreneurs like me, they feel very encouraged to take those risky steps which is required, those steps are required to be taken in every entrepreneurial journey. So I think, I'm sure, in times to come, we'll see a lot of results in this space.
Okay, what inspired you to participate in Chandigarh University Sandbox 2025 event, and how has this platform contributed in influencing entrepreneurial conversations?
I think this has been an excellent platform. Chandigarh University itself is now a name to reckon with in terms of academics and overall, student journey. So I think it was needless to say when this opportunity came to me, I was always eager to be a part of it. And I'm sure, there are many like me who would be, having that kind of experience and those kind of feelings for this event.
ओके आपका जो ये स्टार्टअप है शी केयर 360, इसके पीछे की कहानी जो है, इसके पीछे का जो आइडिया आया, ये कहाँ से जनरेट हुआ, ये आप बताओगे थोड़ा सा?
सो केयरवेल 360 का जो ब्रांड है शी केयर 360, बेसिकली इट्स एन एजुकेशन एंड अवेयरनेस प्लेटफॉर्म ब्रांड. Apart from the services which we give through Carevel 360, She Care 360 is providing complete education and awareness around women's health. And it's an AI-powered platform where a woman can discuss any issue, can seek information, anything regarding her infertility, regarding gynecology or obstetrics issues, which is the pregnancy management. And the idea is to obviously make this information as easily available through WhatsApp, through a mobile app, where you don't have to make a lot of efforts to search for relevant information, contextualized information, and that's where AI is helping us.